Welcome to EscapeLink.
Hi, my name is Mike Wood, he, him pronouns, and I am here for EscapeLink, and I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of how our game plays. So EscapeLink is a multiplayer virtual escape room, much like you would see in the real world, and our main goal is to allow people to play this on many different browsers, basically at the same time. So the first user clicks Start Game, and a unique URL is generated that they can then share with their friends if they choose to do so. Any connected users can then enter a nickname and chat with each other. Users play the game by trying to solve puzzles in order to escape the room. Once a user solves a puzzle on one browser or channel, all other connected channels are updated, and that puzzle is then grayed out for all connected users. Once the final puzzle is completed, all users are instantly shown the victory screen with the ability to click on a leaderboard to see where they stand with their completion time. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kaina. I'm one of the backend developers on the EscapeLink project, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the design decisions that we came up with for our MVP. First, we knew that we weren't going to have user accounts, and we needed a way to track people's progress, specifically for leaderboards, and to be able to join a single room so that everyone is playing together. And so for that, we created a RESTful API that starts the game and generates a random room name or group name. And we use that for the link and for the leaderboard tracking. We also needed a way for users to be able to join a single session while being on separate browsers so that they can have a combined experience. And for that, we decided to use WebSockets, which allows the front end users and the back end to communicate. We did that so that as individual users complete a given puzzle, that's communicated to the back end, that's tracked for progress, and the back end can then send a message to all the front end users letting that interface know that the puzzle's complete and doesn't need to be done again. That also allows the back end to know when all the puzzles are done and send a victory message out that triggers the ending screen so that people know that the escape room has been completed. When the puzzle's completed, the back end also calculates how much time it took for that room to complete the escape room, and it updates a leaderboard that holds the top 10 room names and the time that they took to complete the room. And from there, that leaderboard can be called on by another RESTful API. The front end can use that to show leaderboards either on its own separate page or at the start or end of a particular room.
My name is Dani Wilson, pronoun she, her. EscapeLink is an SOA application that uses JavaScript and React on the front end, while employing Rails and a PostgreSQL database on the back end. One of our notable achievements is the integration of WebSockets, enabling seamless chat functionality and facilitating group play across multiple browsers. This was a significant challenge for our team, especially as we aim to emulate the features from popular games such as Jackbox. Despite facing constraints in terms of skill set and time, we successfully adapted and pivoted to deliver a compelling user experience. Given more time, we'd make the app more accessible by creating a visually impaired player option. We'd also create several more playable rooms and add in a generative puzzle feature for better replayability by moving our puzzle logic to the back end.
Hi, my name is Judy Ye, pronouns she, her, and I'm part of the front-end team. In terms of the visual design, we wanted to keep accessibility in mind before we even started coding. So during the wireframing process, we made sure to use semantic HTML as a guide. And during the development process, we made sure the app's color contrast was high enough to meet WCAG's guidelines by using a color contrast analyzer and a color blindness simulator. Since we knew this would be a highly user interactive app, we wanted to make sure any interactive features would be keyboard accessible. So we added in tab indexes and JavaScript logic to match. We also wanted to make sure low vision users are able to understand the game, so we added in screen reader only elements to hide them visually without hiding it from screen readers.